Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so welcome back to today's video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use banana peel on your face. Now, do you know that banana peel has a whole lot of numerous nutrients that helps your skin glow? It also helps to remove dark spots and dark patches, and it also helps to remove ageness and all of that. Okay, so this is going to be very effective. It's going to help you so much, and you're going to be seeing the results. Yes. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. Gonna be needing some bunch of banana, and it's actually preferably for you to use this greenback banana, okay, because it's not like properly ripe up like that, and then all of the nutrients are still in it. Yeah, so what we're going to do is to first of all wash this off, wash the banana. So we're going to be washing this. You have to wash it with a clean water, yeah, and you can use any disinfectant. It's actually very perfect for you to use baking soda or salt to disinfect any edible thing that you know that you're going to consume. Okay, baking soda is perfect. It's going to disinfect it really well. Now after doing that, then we'll just be needing the peel of this. We're going to be peeling this off. We actually do not need the banana itself. Now after that is done, then we'll have to be cutting the banana peel into pieces, a reasonable pieces, guys. Okay, I have to be using the chalkboard. Now after that's done, we're going to be needing a pot to cook this. And then we're going to be needing water. So we're gonna go cook this, and then we'll be right back.
So you actually have to put it on the fire and allow it to boil. As you can see, it's not yet boiled, so I'm actually going to allow it to stay for like 3 minutes, and then I'll be right back. So here's the end result after leaving it to boil for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to keep it down, and you would see what is going to come out of it.
Alright, so this is the banana peel. and it actually cooled down a little bit. And what you're gonna do is that you're going to take just the juice of the banana peel. So this is the juice, okay? Now before you go to bed, if you're lacking sleep, you can actually take this before you go to bed. It's actually very nutritious and very beneficial for your body, okay? All right, so it's actually going to aid you to sleep very well. If you're having problem sleeping, you can drink this anytime you want to sleep, and before you know it, you're sleeping already, and it's actually a very natural remedy. Yeah, so this is it. Now you can actually put it this way and just drink it because it's actually very healthy. Okay, so after trying this, you're never gonna throw away your banana peel. You're definitely gonna be using it to achieve that glow, that uniform skin, and that, you know, smoothness and all of that. So that's it. If you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again, guys. Bye.